Hello everyone, welcome to Beater Code. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Dev C++ in your system and run it. First, you go to the browser and search for install Dev C++ for Windows. And here you can see the search result. Go inside the first search result. I will put the link in the description also. And here you can see Dev C++. So click on this download button. It will start download after that. So you can see now your download will start shortly. Once it is just started, let it download and then you can see it is starting now, and let it download first, then I will be back. Once the download is completed, just open the downloaded folder and you can see there is a setup file there. So just double click on this. It will start the installer for you. So let it start. And if it asks for some permission, just click on yes. So now you can see it has been the process has been started and it is asking to wait. So yeah, now it has many languages options, so you can choose as per your preference. So just choose your language and then click on OK. Now you have some agreements, so just click on I agree. And here you can modify this configuration, but keep it is default only, and this select the type of the install as full. Now click on next. Now you can see there is a folder destination folder location. So just keep the same location that is by default, and now click on install. So the installation has been started now and it may take some time, so let it complete it. Now you can see the installation has been completed and it is showing like run dev C++ 5.11. So just click on finish, and once you click on finish, it will start the dev C for you. After clicking on finish, you can see there is another window appeared, which is that asking for the language selection. So just click on English original and then click on next. And here you can increase or decrease the font size as per your preferences, and you can select this font type also. So I am just keeping it as default and clicking on next. Click on OK. Now you can see this Dev C++ has been started, and here you can write your code. So to write the code, just go to file and you can click on new, and then you can click on source file, and you can write your code here. So before writing the code, you can save this file also. Just go to file, and here you can do save as, and I'm just going to save it as a desktop, and write the file name. Let's see, I'm writing the name is hello, and you can give the type. If you are going to write in C, write the code in C, you can write it as .c. If you are going to write the code in C++, just write it at cpp. So I'm going to write in C++. I'm giving the extension at .cpp. Click on save. Now this file is saved and you can write the code. So I'm going to write the code hatch include. Okay, string. Let me increase the font also. To increase the font, you can go to tools, editor options, and then here go to the fonts, and here increase the size. Let me increase it to some 14, 15, and click on OK. So now I think it is fine. And here I'm writing just a simple command cout, hello world. So once your code is written, you can execute it. To execute the code, you can see there is an options to execute. So go there and here click on compile and run. So once you click on compile and run, you can see the compilation is being processed, and you can see the output also appeared here, hello world. So in this way you can run this C++ code. And the shortcuts to run and compile, here you can see there is another thing as compile, and here compile and run. So instead of going to this button, you can directly use this compile and run button. So you, if you click on this also, it will do the same thing. So it will compile and run the code for you. Similarly, if you wanted to write some C code, so just make another file and put the extension as .c, and then write your code, and you can run and execute. So okay, that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.